Yeah, there's kind of holes all over the place on this. No, nothing on the horn. Lights, action, camera. And you can see they have been broken for quite some time. Well, here we are, back in the shed. Still working on this little Honda. Fitted the battery. Yeah, so we can now test the electrics. I've got one wire there which I can't connect. It's only a ground. Probably doesn't even need connecting, but I've run out of little ring terminals of the size that needs to go on there. Got some other grounds on there. The main one, battery ground there, or earth I should say. Positive is on, fitted. The fuses are in. You can probably notice I've got a different type of fuse box on here. If you want to see how I did that, just have a look at one of my earlier videos as to how I made a mod on the fuse box. Yeah, I didn't really want the glass fuses, that was why. Yeah, so we can now test a few things, not everything, but a few things, because headlight isn't fitted, because I haven't got the connector for that. Although we can actually put a meter on and just check. This has actually got a couple of little holes in it. I just noticed there was a bit of tape over there, and I just pulled the tape off and noticed there's a couple of holes. So probably just gonna have to fill that with something until I can find another one or get another one. Yeah, there's kind of holes all over the place on this. Not very good. And actually the reflector is, you probably can't see in there, but the reflector is a little bit rusty. So it's not ideal, but it would get us going. Right, let's see. Should be able to test the indicators. Horn, brake lights, starter. Yeah, I'll switch it on. We have oil light, neutral light. What should we do? Indicators. Left. Light flashing there. Light flashing there. Light flashing there. Right. Light flashing there. One flashing there. One flashing there. I actually only connected these up yesterday. Yeah, in the box of bits I did find some which were, I mean these are original ones, they're not that brilliant, as are the front ones, not that brilliant, but they are original, so they don't look too bad. A little bit dull, that's all, and a few little rust spots. Right, that's indicators. Horn. No, nothing on the horn. Have we got anything on the starter? Yes, we have starter. Although I can't check the spark because we've got no coils. Waiting for those to turn up. Oh, brake lights. Rear. Front, if I can reach. Front. Yep, they're both okay. Yeah, let's have a look at this horn, see what's the matter with that. That's the feed. Let's get the meter. Try and do this one-handed. Yeah, let's get this in there. That to earth. Let's see if I can reach across without everything going everywhere. Right. Switch is okay, it's just the actual horn, so that's something we'll have to look into. Can we get some... I should have lights, front and back. We don't have lights because I've wired this. I haven't got the UK switch there, I've got the USA one. So we should actually have lights, but we haven't. Oh, yes we have. Oh, yeah. Not very bright, but yeah. So, rear light. Let's see, which one of these is which? Let's get a ground somewhere. Ground, green. Let's pop that in there. And I should have something on one of these here. So if I can try and get everything in shot. Yep. And now, if we now flick the dip main switch, we should have something on there, which we have nothing on there. Right, well, that's good. We have lights, action camera. Turn that off. Yeah, I'm not sure I've got the right size battery or not. It does seem to stick out too far. I don't know. I thought I had got it right. Not sure. Not sure if that's right or wrong. I've not got a battery strap for that yet. Hence the cable ties. Right, what else was it? Oh yes, we do have a little bit of an oil leak on here. Yes, I originally thought it was the washer that's on there. There was like quite a hard brass washer on there. I've changed that to a copper one. That's still leaking, but across here probably can't see it. Looks a little bit shiny, but there is oil on the side of there. I don't think it's coming from the gasket. I think it's coming from further up, so I'm going to have to take this cover off again. You can probably see it better now with a bit of light on it. You can see that's kind of shiny, but it looks like it's coming from above the gasket seal. So yeah, I think to confirm that I'm going to have to take this cover back off, which means taking the gear lever back off. Yeah, so that's one thing I can be looking at, because I'm still waiting for the rest of the stuff to build the carbs. Got some new screws and things turned up for the float bowl. I've got some other ones indoors for various for the tops, and yes, the other thing is, I don't know if you watched the video where I was stripping this down, but I only actually took the first two off. Didn't show taking these off because it was a rather long video, over an hour. getting a little bit ridiculous. Yeah, and when I took these off, the little connector was missing there, and the little little bit for the spring retainer was missing, and there was parts missing from this carb from in here. Yeah, so I think these two are not originally off this bank. I think they've been put on there to make it look like a full bank, because we have a look at these, they both have broken posts for the float, and you can see they have been broken for quite some time. They both still had the floats inside. That one, was the pin there? I can't remember. I think the broken bit was in there just loose, and on this one it was still attached with the pin seized in the float. Yeah, and I also had to make a little Delrin bush. That was one of the bits that was missing. Yeah, and some other bits I've got on order. Yeah, so that's kind of on hold until the rest of the bits turn up for those. And I did manage to spot carbs 3 and 4 bodies on eBay, so I've got those coming as well. I could possibly repair that, or both these actually. They're probably repairable. Could mill that down, turn up a new post, probably drill it, tap it, little stud or something, M3 stud, something like that. Yeah, and fix a new post on. But rather than mess around, obviously I'm going to have to take the chokes and everything off here, because they're just bare bodies, the new ones. But yeah, that's not a problem really. Strip them down. Yeah, so that was I was doing so well. Got to the last two, yeah, and bits missing, bits broken. Story of this bike really. Bits missing and bits broken. Yeah, we're getting there. We are getting there.